Hi everyone, it's Irene from the Field Guide. It is freezing cold out here in New York. It's like winter weather. It's about 30 degrees and we're getting snow flurries all day. This monstrosity behind me is a glider, mid-century glider, like built in the 1950s or so. It's a piece of very comfortable outdoor furniture. And in a stream, or it might have been in some comments at some point a couple months ago, someone had asked if they could see it. So the time has come, the time of year to put it away. I haven't been out here a whole lot, and there is no roof over it, so it just isn't comfortable to sit out here and have my coffee, especially when it's 30 degrees, even though this following week is supposed to be in the 60s, but well, we'll see about that. So I thought I would do a video of it showing how I dismember it in 3 pieces in order to store it. Now what you just saw me do was loosen up the back of this. And if you see from the video, this is becoming somewhat of, it's not completely lined up because I'm not ready to use it, but what you would do is use that as a picnic bench. So it's not only a comfortable couch, it has dual purpose. And then of course, you know, I took the cushions off of here because they have to be renovated, and you would sit inverted on this amazing couch. These chains right here are what give it its rocking action, and if you've seen a mid-century glider before, they usually have you know, pivoting hinges that make them rock back and forth, but this one has the chains and I absolutely love it. So let's get back to taking it apart. It's going to come apart in 3 pieces. So that's that. And there was a time when I could actually take this entire thing, I'm not kidding, pick it up, put it on the top of a really large extra size wheelbarrow and wheel it up here from the basement. But these days I'm just finding it a heck of a lot simpler to just take it apart. And it's a good thing I did anyways, because someone had given me some paint in an unmarked can a couple of years ago, and I used it and it never occurred to me that it was oil based. Well, it was fine on the wood back and the you know, the picnic table part of the glider. Ooh, I don't know if you heard that. That was a pretty big explosion. Sounded like shotgun blast going off. I don't know what that was. Anyhow, I'll get back to you on that. And the problem was, even though I sanded down the metal parts, because 95% of it is metal, it peeled. And you know, they didn't tell me it was oil. Should have double checked. But so I'm gonna renovate it anyways, probably pick a different color. I know this is kind of a foo-foo colored couch with the lavender and the purple polka dots and the yellow, but I enjoyed it for a couple of years, and I think the next color scheme is probably going to be more woodland, maybe a, you know, a nice forest green color or something like that. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, everybody, and have a great day.